Hello, Facebook Live. Hi, everybody. It is Tuesday afternoon. Hope everybody stayed safe with the snow. Boy, did we get a lot of snow out there today. Oh, well, yesterday, sorry, overnight. I don't know. How many inches did you get? Where are you watching from? Let me know. Let's see. Yeah, drop a comment where you're watching from and how much snow you got. I'd love to see. I think we got around 21 inches. Is that what was said here? I think 21 inches. You got about 20 inches, right? I think somebody 20 inches. So let's see. Hello, everybody. Hello, Candace. Hello, Tina. Hello, Aileen. Hello. Let's see. Hello, everybody. Thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody watching today. Quick Facebook Live. Marcus and I might do a wine time live again later. We did one yesterday after my my cocktail time with Jamie. So thanks, everybody. Hope everybody's staying safe. Hope everybody's dug out themselves. I know Marcus and I were out at 7 a.m. this morning. We had 4 properties that we were at with our snowblower. The restaurant, we help our accountant across the street, my parents, and then Courtney's house. So it was a busy morning, just snow blowing, pushing snow, clearing it, and now it's kind of, I can tell on my roof everything is falling down now. So now I have to go out there and I have to shovel a little bit more, but I'll do that later or tomorrow. I don't know, from what I hear, we're supposed to have more snow. Oh wow, Heidi went out at 4:30 a.m. Wow. So where are you? Where are you watching me from? How many inches did you get of snow? I'd love to hear. Did you make any fun cocktails last night? Drop a comment, let me know. If you're watching live, put hashtag live. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Hello, Joanne. Hello, Ralph. Hi, Mom. There's a bunch of other people on here. So I appreciate everybody watching. We did have somebody stop in for groceries last night. So somebody came in for some groceries. We had the door open. We were sitting here, and then that was it, though. How much was the total? I don't know. How many inches did we get, Marcus?
No idea.
20, maybe?
It was
a lot.
Some I don't know, 16. I don't know.
Something like that. I don't know. It seems like more than 16 out there, but
It does.
Anyway, today I am going to make an espresso martini using Shipwreck rum. So I'm going to make a rum martini, vanilla rum and coffee rum. And then I'm going to use a espresso. I made the espresso already, and some agave, and we'll see how that comes out. I've never really made it. I'm kind of going on the fly today, so about a half an ounce of agave. An espresso martini.
Oh, okay.
You've asked me 4 times what I'm making, but I'm not making 2 of them. I'm only making 1 today. Yesterday I made 2. So an espresso. You don't have to, there are espresso vodkas that you can use, so you don't necessarily have to put a full, real espresso in there. You could use espresso vodka. So this is the vanilla rum from Shipwreck. I'm gonna put about 1.5 ounces. I see Marcus walking over. I think he wants one.
I want to taste.
Oh, I guess I should take the lid off that. Sounds tasty.
Shipwreck's an awesome company. It does.
Oh, here comes Marcus with his knowledge and information.
Yeah.
I'm the drink maker. He's the knowledge guy.
The owner's awesome.
Yeah, the owner is awesome.
The owner's really awesome, and everything's really true to what they flavor things with. There's no synthetics.
So 1.5 ounces of the vanilla rum, 1.5 ounces of the coffee, an espresso, some agave. I have my martini glass, chilled, ready to go. I like a chilled martini glass. When I first started making cocktails here at Aroma Thyme, I had somebody yell at me once about not, the one time I didn't chill the martini glass, and the person yelled at me and
2005.
was like, yeah, 2005, and they were like, you didn't chill the martini glass. So I always do it. Look at that, that's nice. You can put some milk in here. You can put some almond milk. The fun part about making martinis or drinks is you get to make it however you'd like. What are you tasting, Marcus?
I'm tasting the coffee rum and the vanilla rum together. Can I get a little top off of banana?
That's really good.
Banana bourbon in that. I might be making a new drink here on the side.
So we're trying something new. Marcus is trying to chime in here. Let's see how it goes. So he has vanilla rum and coffee rum, and then he wants to drop a tiny bit of this banana bourbon in there. So let's see
Equal parts. Let's see what happens.
See what happens in there. I don't think he has enough ice. So I'm gonna put a little bit more ice in there. And I'm gonna taste it first. Let's see how it comes out. Woo. All right, let's see. I'm gonna stir it up too.
It smells,
well, the banana, you can smell the banana. So coffee, vanilla, and banana bourbon.
We're temporarily out of Howlerhead. It's back in stock.
What was that? Sweet. Wow. Howlerhead is back in stock. This is a banana bourbon that is phenomenal.
The flavors work really good.
The flavors work, but it's a little too sweet.
Banana, bourbon, vanilla, and coffee.
Ralph said, that banana bourbon from you is awesome. So thanks everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. There's a lot of people on. Heidi, sorry I have to look in. It's so small. We bought a bottle and loved it. Thanks, Ralph. Hope everybody's having a good day. I'm assuming schools will be open again tomorrow. Looks like the roads are clear, the main roads at least. I don't know how the back roads are, but the main roads are clear. And let's see. I hope everybody has a great night.
Talk about our contest. Did you?
Oh, no. I didn't talk about any of that stuff. So we are closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays. We'll be reopened on Thursday. I haven't even really talked about our $9.99 special this week because we haven't been open, which started yesterday, but we weren't open. So it'll be Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It is Cajun peel and eat shrimp with rice and broccoli. And then Super Bowl Sunday is on Sunday. And let's see, we are doing a Super Bowl party box. It will feed 4 to 6 people. It's an awesome party box. There's a lot of food in there. Even if you're only 2 people and you get this party box, this will last you probably a few days. There's pretzels and hummus and cheese and crackers and pizza and pulled pork sandwiches, a growler of beer. It's a $205 value for $169. So what else is in there? I keep forgetting stuff.
Pulled pork, pretzels, pizza.
I said all this stuff.
Cheese, local sopressata, mac and cheese.
Oh, mac and cheese. I always forget the mac and cheese. So if you love our mac and cheese. So that is available Super Bowl Sunday. You can pick that up anytime after 1. We have a few boxes left, so make sure you call ahead. Place your order, 647-3000. I know a lot of people probably aren't thinking about it, but it will make a nice Sunday afternoon snack even if you're not watching the Super Bowl. It's an awesome box. You can freeze some of the stuff.
Yeah, you don't even have to have a Super Bowl party.
You don't even need to have a Super Bowl party. Just freeze it and put it away.
Week.
Yeah, just have some snacks for the weekend, stuff like that. Let's see, Monday night, next Monday the 8th, is our wine dinner. $25 a person, 4 wines and a dish. It always sells out, so call and make your reservation, 647-3000. What else? Valentine's Day party box will be coming out soon. What else? If you're interested in going to the Finger Lakes with Marcus and I in March 19th through the 21st.
We're halfway sold out.
We are halfway sold out. We have a couple of rooms available still. We'd love for you to travel with us, go to the wineries, taste wine with us. Of course, we are social distance. We wear masks on the bus.
And the wineries
give us private rooms. So we are separated out, tables of 6. And let's see, I think that's it. Marcus and I will be bringing back some wine next week, or at least visiting some of the wineries that we think we're going to be going to in March. We're going to head up to the Finger Lakes next Tuesday and Wednesday. So stay tuned because we'll probably do some Facebook Lives while we're up there, I'm sure.
100%.
And I guess that is it. Hope everybody is well and safe. And
just in, the Airbnb property is open for Super Bowl Sunday night. If anyone wants to have a party there, if you have a group of people, we have a 16-person theater, massive screen. So if you have 10, 12 friends that want to enjoy the Super Bowl, we can cater it. Contact us right away. It just came in today that the reservation we had can't be there that night. So we can actually do something there. So if you have 8, 10, 12 people and you want to have a catered Super Bowl party, massive screen, 16-person theater, popcorn machine.
Maybe if anybody wants to come join us.
Yeah, if nobody takes it.
Nobody takes it, we're probably going to be there.
We're probably going to be there, yeah.
So if you want to join us and chip in for food and drinks and stuff, maybe we'll do something like that. So,
yep.
All right, everybody. I will see everyone tomorrow. Again, we are closed Tuesday and Wednesday night, and we will be reopened on Thursday with our $9.99 special of Cajun shrimp. Peel and eat shrimp with rice and broccoli. Sounds so good. I want some now.
I had some today.
Oh, you did. Look at that. All right, everybody. Have a good night. Cheers.